Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to Online Teaching Academy A-Kalaiva. Board CBSE-Class VI-Subject Science Part Getting to Know Plants Part 3. Let's try to recall what did we learn in previous part. Already we discussed two parts. In the first part, we discussed about root system and their modification, shoot system and their modifications we discussed in the first two parts, right? By the end of this chapter, you should be able to state leaves, functions of leaf, modification of leaves. See children, leaves are the main sites of photosynthesis. Leaves arise from the node. See here. This is a node. Leaves arise from the nodes from the stem. Okay. Leaves of different sizes, shape, textures and colors. These all variations often used to identify the plants. Today we are going to learn about structure of leaf. What are the parts present in the leaves? Right. Here, see, there are many parts present in the leaf. Here, stalk, lamina or leaf plate, midrib, vein, like this many parts present in the leaf. Let us learn one by one. Okay children, first one, see the flat, this is a flat, okay, flat green part of the leaf is called leaf plate or lamina, right. It provides large surface for the absorption of light and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis reaction. Okay. So, this is a structure of lamina. This part is present in the leaf. Next one, leaf stalk or petiole. The leaf attached to the stem, okay, this is called petiole or leaf stalk, okay. It is the base of the leaf. This is the next part of the leaf. Next one, veins. See, the thin tube-like structures seen in leaves called veins. The prominent vein in the middle, this is a prominent vein present in the middle is called midrib. Then the thinner veins on the side, you see, this is a thinner veins on the sides are present. This is called side veins or lateral veins, right. See children, how we are having veins in our body, the veins carry blood to all the parts of the body. In the same way, plants also has vein. These veins distribute raw material such as water and mineral required for photosynthesis reactions in the leaf and carry prepared food to other parts of the plant. Okay, children. Next, the arrangement of vein. The arrangement of vein in a leaf is called venation. See, the venations are two types. That is parallel venation and reticulate venation. Let's see one by one. Okay. First one, reticulate venation. See here, in this arrangement, several lateral veins. The lateral veins already I said it is in the side. Okay, lateral veins branch out from the midrib. This is a midrib. It branch out from the midrib. This is a lateral vein. Further divide to form dense network of veins. See here. See, dense network of the veins. I hope you can see the veins. Right. So, it is the most common venations found in the leaf. Rose, mango and pannion leaves are the examples of reticulate venation. Right. Next, parallel venation. See, here in this arrangement, the lateral veins, this is a lateral veins, run parallel to one another, or parallel to the midrib. Okay, this vein called parallel venation. For example, wheat and banana. See, shall I show some examples of parallel venation? In the grass also you can see the parallel venations. Okay. Then in reticulate venations, most of the plants have reticulate venations. See, these are the examples of reticulate venations. Already I said mango and neem. These leaves are the examples of reticulate venation. Right, children? Next, we are going to learn about functions of leaf. From the lower classes onwards, you are learning. Can you say what is the functions of leaf? The main function is photosynthesis. Do you know what is photosynthesis? Okay. Shall we discuss that? Here, the root absorb water and the leaf absorb the sunlight. In the presence of chlorophyll pigment, it prepared food, okay, as glucose. That process is called photosynthesis. Shall we see the definition of photosynthesis? See here. See, the process by which green plants, okay, green plants manufacture food using sunlight and carbon dioxide, water and mineral is called photosynthesis. The leaf absorb the sunlight. Already the chlorophyll pigment present in the leaf. Okay. So, then it take carbon dioxide and water, it prepare the food like sugar and release oxygen. That oxygen we are used to respire, right? So this is a photosynthesis reactions. Shall we see the equations? Here, see, here, this is a 6 molecule of carbon dioxide react with 6 molecule of water. Okay. In the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll pigment, it prepare food, that is a glucose, and release 6 molecule of oxygen. This is the equation of photosynthesis reaction. Okay, children. So, first main function is photosynthesis reaction. The second function is exchange of gases. So, here see, during photosynthesis, plants take in oxygen and during photosynthesis, plants take in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen. That gaseous exchange takes place through the stomata. Where it is the stomata? The stomata are the tiny pores. See, this is a tiny pores on the leaves. Okay. So, but plant also respire. When during the respiration, plants take in oxygen and gives out carbon dioxide. But photosynthesis reactions, it takes carbon dioxide and released oxygen. Mostly this is a stomata. Okay. Stomata, that is open stomata and closed stomata is there. You will learn in the higher classes the structure of stomata and their functions. Okay, children. So, this is a second main function is exchange of gases. The next one, transpirations. So, in the functions of leaf, this is a third function. Transpiration. Transpiration means the transpiration is the loss of water vapor from the leaves. This also takes place through the stomata. Right? During photosynthesis, it absorbs the carbon dioxide and release the oxygen. On the time, it absorbs water molecule from the root. Right? At the same time, it releases the loss of water through the leaves. That process is called transpiration. Okay. So, in the transpirations play an important role in water cycle also. Okay, children. Next, let us discuss about modification of leaf. You see, already we discussed in the first two part root modification and stem modification, right? Here, how the leaf modified two functions, give the functions. See, here leaves of some plants are modified to perform many other functions. That is, function is first one, support, protection, obtaining food, storage of food and multiplications. Okay. Shall we discuss in detail one by one? First one, support. You see, in some of the leaves modified to form tendrils, right? See, this is a tendrils, okay? What is tendrils? Tendrils are slender or curved structure mostly found in climbers. Climbers means it cannot grow straight. It needs some support to grow, right? So here tendrils twine around object with the help of their spring-like structure. So here grapevine and pea plant, it is the examples of leaf modifications. It gives the support to the plant. Okay. Next one, protection. You see here leaves of some plants are modified to form spine. Spine is a hard protective structures mostly found in the desert plants. See here, due to scarcity of water in desert, in cactus plants reduces the water, it has a spines. Okay, so here in the cactus plants the stem acts as a leaf. Okay, so the photosynthesis reactions takes place through the stem. Okay, in the desert area. So here this leaf modify to give the protection of the leaves. Okay. Next one, obtaining food. You see, this kind of plants cannot prepare their own food. Actually, it need some insect. I hope you find out that one. Insect means that is a insectivorous plants. We are going to discuss about insectivorous plants. Okay, here the plants, see this is a pitcher plant. See pitcher plant and this is a Venus flytrap. This is a insectivorous plants. Here the leaves can be modified to attract, trap and digest insect. So here this is a pitcher plant and Venus flytrap is an examples of obtaining food. The leaf modify to obtain their food. Okay. Next one, storage of food. You see some of the plants store food in their root, for example carrot and beetroot. Some of the plants store the food in the stem, for example potato, sugarcane, right? Here we are going to see that some of the plants store food in their leaves. Here leaves can be modified to store food. Example, onion is an example. We eat fleshy leaves of onion, right? The next one, multiplication. The plants can reproduce their young ones, that is called multiplications. Some of the plants reproduce through their root, the stem also. Here, leaves modified for reproductions produce tiny plantlets. What is the meaning of plantlets? It produces the young plant at the edge of the or margin of the leaf. See here, right? So, here these plants become new full-sized plants when separate from the parent plant. So, bryophyllum is an example of multiplication process. Okay. So, this is one of the modifications of leaf. So, what did we learn today? We learned about structure of leaf and their parts, then functions of leaf and modifications of leaf. I hope you all understood the part. Thank you, children. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button. You will receive the latest updates. Thank you.